So the temperature and compass function in Steve's Toyota Tacoma stopped working, and he discovered with a little bit of online research that the problem was a faulty resistor. And what I'm going to be doing today, I've ordered the new resistor online, and I'm going to be soldering a new one on. It's so small that a magnifying glass has to be used. It requires some special tools, some little picks and things we have to use to move it around, and some very fine solder. It's barely a thread. So the idea is to have the right equipment in order to do this properly, and we're ready to make a stab at it. So. Okay, our soldering iron is up to temperature now, and a little bit different in this method. We are going to put the solder on the tip of the iron. I don't want to drip it on my magnifying lens, but basically I'm melting enough to make a little droplet form. And then we're going to carefully touch one side of the circuit board there, and we've now attached the solder to the board. Again, using our tweezers, we are going to position our resistor over that one side and melt the solder enough to get it in. We also have to remove the plastic cover that it comes in. Okay, the actual part is almost microscopic. Try to show it here. That's how small what we're working with there. So you can see without tweezers it would be totally impossible. Iron's a little bit too cool, so we'll turn it up a bit. Have time to heat up a bit. Now I'm going to use a bit of a desoldering wick to pick up part of that, because I frankly got too much solder on that joint. So now clean off the tip. Okay, now what I need to determine is my left hand sturdy enough to hold this in position, or think about blue skies over evergreen. Okay. Now, just a touch on the other side. Okay. Now you can't see that, but it's a complete repair. I'm going to use one of my little picks to make sure that piece of copper came off the brush bristle. Isn't doing anything it shouldn't be doing. There. Well, okay, Steve, it's done. I'll be putting it in an envelope today and sending it your way, and hopefully it'll work as new. So again, just a few tools, and should be ready to send back. There you go, brother.